What's up guys, Eric from Beatsonic. What we have here is a 2024 Ford Bronco. Our little power amplifier, it's all plug and play, very easy to install, and it'll transform the way your car audio sound. You don't have to change your speakers. You're gonna reuse everything the car has. In addition, with our amplifier, it adds more power to your factory sound system and more clarity and more bass. So let me show you how that's done. All right guys, let me show you how easy it is to install. Let's get inside the car. So we went ahead and did some of the installation parts for you guys. So as you can see, this handle here is missing. We removed it. It's just 2 Torx screws. Remove it, it'll come right out. After you remove those, go ahead and open the glove box, and there's gonna be another Torx screw up there. There's a little hole here. We removed that as well. And then go to the driver's side, pull down on this. It's all being held by clips, and this will expose. This will expose more Torx screws right here. We remove that one right there. This one does not have to be removed. I think we removed it anyways. And after you remove those, it's ready to pop out. Before we pop this out, you have to remove the panel under here. It's just being held by clips. Just pop it out like so. And once that's all done, it's all ready to go. Just grab a hold of this and it's all gonna come off as one piece. You can use a panel removal tool to assist you in removing it, or you could just get a firm grip and just pull it towards you, like so. And once this is out, there's a few connectors that needs to be disconnected. Press down, always push down the release tab and pull on the connector. Don't pull on the wires. All right, and let's put this aside. And once that is out, go down here, and there's gonna be 2 plugs here. You're gonna disconnect the one on the right side. It's a black plug. Just press down on the release tab and then just pull out. Okay, here it is. And grab the plug and play harness from our kit. The female side will connect to the male side of the original connector. And then the female side, the male side from our harness will connect back to the original location. There it is. All right, and on the amplifier side, just connect these 2 connectors. And after that's done, you can route the cable down over here towards the side. There's this heater pipe here. Try to not get close to that. You don't want the wire to sit on it because this pipe can get really hot. All right, so to route this cable, you will have to remove the glove box. Just remove these 2 Torx screws up there, and then there's plenty of space behind the glove box that you can mount the amplifier to. Over here to the right side, over there to the bottom. But for the purpose of this video, I'll just leave it out just so I can show you the difference it makes and how easy it is to install this. Okay, and before I go any further, just some functions of our Encore 3 series amplifier. It has an auto sense, so basically the amplifier will turn on as soon as it detects speaker signal, and that's what we have it at the moment because Bronco doesn't have accessory wire on their radio. And on top of that, it also have independent gain adjustment for the front and rear side. We recommend to keep this at 50%. And also, in addition, it also have these output to make your power subwoofer installation a breeze. Just plug those 2 RCs in there. This kit also comes with remote wire connections to make it very easy to connect to your new power sub, and you can route your power subwoofer under the seat. And now you have a new subwoofer and a new sound system with cleaner sound, more crisp, and more volume. So let's see how it sounds compared to the factory sound system. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the Encore Alpha 3 Series amplifier on this 2024 Bronco. As you can see, super easy to install. At the same time, it makes a huge difference in the way your car audio sounds, and if you want to add a power subwoofer, now you can do it so easily. If you have any questions, drop a line below, leave a comment, we'll answer them, or you can email us at info@beatsonicusa.com. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.